Hello, I am Piano Grandma. Today I would like to play the third page of Rhapsody in Blue by Gershwin. So today the third day of my practicing occupational therapy, so I try. So this season, now Chinese New Year, and I was invited today Chinese New Year gyoza party. So few person from China, Hong Kong, and a family has lived in Hong Kong maybe. So they are so familiar with Chinese culture. So maybe we can say we have a Chinese party. So I have so wonderful time in the day, and also few beer and wine. So yeah, after the drinking alcohol, so not so bad. Thank you for listening. See you then. Bye bye.